Watch as I revolutionize my AI vocals with this free online app. Now you can change any vocal using this AI vocal app. I have a song I like, but I want to change it to a male vocal and see if it changes the way the song feels to me. So to demo this, I'm going to take a vocal from Suno and change it using this free AI website. I'll show you how I do it, and I'll explain why I don't use Suno to change the voice. So first I need to get my vocal. Here's 3 seconds of the song.
I've been waking up alone.
Okay, it's a really pretty song, and it's got a lovely vocal. But I want to see if I can just bring it over the top with a new vocal. Regenerating a song in Suno is like playing the lottery. It's unpredictable. So it's faster and more predictable to use the site I'm showing you, poppop.ai. You'll need your song file to make the new vocal. Mine is in Suno, so I click on the song, I click on the 3 dots, and then I download the song. So now let's go to our free app online, which is poppop.ai. I've talked about that in a different video. You can see that here. Once you're in there, go to Music Production and click on AI Cover Song Generator. You can see there's some voices listed on the left, and you can click Explore All Voices. You can audition them right from the page where you see them. I'm hearing a male singer, and I think it would be more poignant. I'm just trying to see what a different vocal quality might sound like. So first, let's go ahead and pick a vocal.
I wonder how, I wonder why, yesterday.
Let's try Michael.
I wonder how, I wonder why.
There's a couple of pages of different male vocals. I liked the Juice WRLD vocal, so I'm going to use that. I upload my file, and in just a few minutes we have our song. Let's compare the original to the AI vocal we just created.
I've been waking up alone.
I've been waking up alone. So why you sleeping with my clothes on? Think it's time I go back home. Yeah, I've been gone for way too long.
Now, personally, I find that way more poignant, way more believable. The Suno song was good, but the male vocal resonates harder with me. And you can disagree, this is all subjective, but these are my thoughts. So what else can we do with this vocal? I'm going to want to download the vocal, so I just click the download button. I want the stems, so I click on Music Processing and Acapella Extractor. I upload the vocal that I made with Juice WRLD. Then we separate it into stems. You can download the original, the new vocal, and the instrumental. Click on Save All, and it downloads them in one zipped file. So this is just a cool app, and it's free, and an AI vocal generator with good results that's free is worth sharing. I'm not a paid promoter or sponsored by Poppop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching today.